Alright, so this platform can actually pay you $5, $6, $5, $8, and up to $20 by performing a particular task. Alright, so right now in this particular video, guys, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how you can actually earn this amount of money by performing this simple task on this website. If you watch to the end, you're going to get all the nitty-gritties, every secret that I'm going to share. Alright, now you don't also need to worry because this platform have got payments method that suits you. Now you can actually get paid with PayPal, Bitcoin, Payer, Advocash, Perfect Money, and ATM. Alright, and this particular video, guys, what I'll be doing is I'll be showing you how you make money with this. Now before we go ahead, right guys, I'm going to actually go ahead and actually introduce myself, tell you guys who I am, and then we head on to the into the gist. All right, so my name is Ebenezer Earthlink, and one thing I do on this particular channel, the Grind Academy, is that I create awesome videos that is basically centered around making money online. All right, so if you're interested in making money online, be sure you hit the subscribe button and also turn on the bell notification icon. Now what that does is that when I create an awesome videos like this, you get notified. All right, if you have any questions you need to ask, if you have any suggestions, if you have anything to share with us, do be sure to drop that in the comment section. All right, so without further ado, guys, let me get to jump board and let me also explain the strategy first before we get into this. So there are basically two things we need to do. There are basically a few things we need to do, sorry. The first one we need to do is that we need to get an affiliate website, an affiliate program, and we need to partner with this affiliate program. And once we've partnered with this affiliate program, the next thing we need to do is that we need to get our link, and we need to get it to a particular website, which I'm going to show you in this particular video. And once we get to that particular website, we'll do a few things, which is very simple. Once we do it, we get our link, and then we get onto the next few tools, which I'm going to show you. Now the thing we're going to do is, once we get this link, we need to show this link to a good number of audience, and that is what I'm going to show you guys in this particular tutorial. I'm going to show you guys how to get that link and how to put it out there to a good number of audience, and they get to your website and you make money. Without further ado, guys, let's get into this matter. Now some of you might be asking, what is affiliate marketing and what is affiliate program? All right, so affiliate marketing is whereby let's get this pen running. Yeah, this works. So let's say, so affiliate marketing is a business. I'd say it's a business because it's really a business. All right, so what you do, you here, you're looking for business and you want to sell people's products. All right, so you get a platform. All right, so let's say let's use A and say that A is the platform. All right, so we have A as the affiliate platform, and then you go to this platform. This platform has products from different persons or different people or different companies. Now this product on this platform A, you get this product and then you sell this product to someone else, and when you sell this product to someone else, at the end of the day, you make what we call commission. You make a percentage from yourself. All right, that's basically how this works. You make a percentage from yourself, and once you get that percentage, that's your commission, and you basically done what we call affiliate marketing. Yeah, that is simple, and that is simple to understand. So I think I've been able to explain, to give an intro to what we're doing. All right, so now we're going to go over to the affiliate platform which we're going to use. Now any affiliate platform can actually work for you, but I'm going to use this particular affiliate platform, and it's called Fiverr Affiliate. It's called Fiverr Affiliate. Now because we're going to need to create a new account, I'm going to walk us through that and show us how we need to create a new account. And for this tutorial, for the purpose of this tutorial, I've actually created a new account, so I'm going to show you guys how you create a new account. So come over right here. All right, okay, let me explain what Fiverr is before I go into that. All right, so on Fiverr, what you do is, Fiverr is actually a place where people sell services. They don't sell products. So on Fiverr, you can actually refer people to buy a service from Fiverr, more like website design, forex trading course, remove a background, painting, copywriting, and there are a lot of things you can actually, there are a lot of services you can offer and get on Fiverr. So someone comes to the Fiverr platform through your affiliate link, and you earn money when that person performs a particular action. All right, when the person buys a particular service, you earn money, and actually any percentage. Yeah, so I'm going to show you guys how you're going to get your affiliate link. So just type affiliates.fiverr.com. If you don't want to type that, I'm going to leave a link to Fiverr in the description section. Now the link I'm going to leave in the description section, if you want to buy a service on Fiverr, that link is going to help give you discounts. So be sure to click on that link and get directed to Fiverr. So right, so how do you do this now? Just go over to where we have join now. Since you don't already have a Fiverr account, click on join now, or when you click on that link, it redirects to this platform. You click on what? Join now. You're going to come right here. We'll have first name. You put your first name. So my name is Ebenezer, so I'm going to go with Ebenezer. All right, so I'm going to say I'm going to go with my last name as Earthlink. Yeah, let me delete this, Earthlink. All right, so I'm going to have my email address as this, and I'm going to put in my password. So what you're going to do is you're going to put in your details. All right, you're going to fill in your details. You're going to click on next, and then it gets to a point where it requires that you get verified with your email, and then they're going to send an email to you, and you get verified, and you are on the platform. It's pretty that it's that easy. All right. So when you're on the platform, when you've signed into your affiliate account, it's going to look like this. This is a brand new account, so it's going to look like this. You can see it's a brand new account, and you're going to have your dashboard. Once you have your dashboard right here, you're already on your way to making money online. That is the first step. That is the first thing you need to do. And the next thing you need to do is you're going to come over right here. We'll have marketing tools. You can actually go ahead and go through this. So before we go to marketing tools, I'm going to show us the commission plan, what it looks like, how much you're going to be earning once you get on this platform. So just click on commission plan. All right, so you have unifying plan. You're going to have the sub affiliates. You're going to have a 10% commission cost from whoever it is you refer. All right, so we'll have Fiverr Business. You're going to have CPA amount is $100. Whatever the person does, you're going to have $100 for the first action, right? And as long as the person performs more action, you earn 10% of whatever the person does. That's for Fiverr Business. So we have Fiverr CPA, right? So you have Fiverr CPA, that is by products, and you earn $10, yeah, per whatever it is that the person does. So come over right here, we'll have marketing tools. You have here, we'll have marketing tools. So you see where we'll have default and deep links. Just click on default and deep links. You're gonna see what we'll have: Fiverr CPA, Fiverr Hybrid. All right, you see you can actually go through it. All right, just go ahead and read through. All right, so what I would want to work with is Fiverr CPA. So what I have to do is click here and copy the link. Now that you've copied the link, you want to work with all of these ones, you can go ahead and copy the links to these ones. So now that you've copied the link, the next thing you need to do is you need to go to the platform that I'm going to show you. So the platform we're going to use is this platform here. It's called exe.io. Now, if you see the name of this link and then you click off, that's going to beat you on this advantage, because there are lots more things I'm going to say now that you've gotten to this point. All right, so on this platform, what you do basically is that you shorten. Let me resize this so we can see this properly. All right, so what you do on this platform basically is that you shorten links on this platform. Okay, let's say you have a product link and then you want to shorten it. You can actually shorten this with this URL. But then this platform has promised to actually pay you for shortening links on the platform. All right, so you can actually come over right here, click paste the link and shorten it. So what I'm going to do is I can come over right here, right click and paste, and then I'm going to click on shorten, and you're going to see it's going to shorten it. It shortens it and gives us a beautiful, very short URL. Now I'm going to show you how you're going to earn money with this URL, because we don't just want to use the Fiverr affiliate link and earn money. We want to earn money with the two links, the Fiverr, and also earn money with the exe.io. So what we're going to do basically is, once we've shortened our link, we'll start working with it. But if you want to do something like this, be sure to know that you create an account with this platform. Create an account with this platform. So when you create an account with this platform, and you log in, you're gonna have your account like this. So just come over right here. We'll have we'll have create link. These are instructions with this platform. Create link, and once you start earning, once you start earning, you're gonna see your earning right here. All right. Okay. So how do you use this platform right now? Just come over right here, create an account with them first, and then you're gonna have create link, and click on create link, and you're gonna have to paste that link here. All right, and then you're gonna have optional. This is optional. I can actually go ahead right now and click on what create, and then it gives you the URL. It's not pasting the URL because it's the URL I got from them. That's what I'm pasting here. So it's not going to create a new URL. So I already have the URL. All right. So now, how does this platform make money? Because that's something you should ask yourself. Basically, this platform makes money by advertisement. So the people who come to this platform and they pay them to actually show out their arts. All right. So how do you make money now? So to get your link, you shorten it. That means you've coded it. Now, when you've done this, if someone else clicks that link, what they're going to do first is they're going to show the person an advertisement. And once they show the person an advertisement, they're going to show the person an advertisement for a few minutes or a few seconds, and then they're going to allow the person to go direct to the after they've shown the person the ads, they're going to allow the person to go to the main link that they're supposed to get to. All right. So these are the two ways. Get a link on Fiverr, shorten it with this. You're earning with two ways. You earn when someone performs a particular action with your Fiverr link, and you also earn when someone clicks on the link and also watches the ads. All right, so that's simple. Push ahead, and I'm gonna show us guys how you need to get traffic to that link, because that's what matters. If you click get these links and then you don't get traffic to this link, it's not gonna work. So how do you get traffic to this link? I'm gonna show you two ways. The first one is the free method, and the second one is the paid method. Now the first one is gonna actually help you make money, like it's gonna help you get a lot of traffic, but it's not gonna get you speedy traffic as you would want. Now why the last one, which is the paid method, is gonna help you get a lot of traffic. So the first so I'm gonna show us, the first website I'm gonna show us is called answers.com. All right, so when you go to answers.com, you're gonna create an account with them if you want to, but it's going to be important that you create an account with them. And I always advise you create 2 accounts with them. So what is answers.com? On answers.com, people get asked questions, and they also get answers from other individuals. It's more like a forum, it's more like a community, right? And then sometimes these answers also appear on Google, right? So yeah, there are also answers that from those websites, because it's actually a website that has a lot of visitors, they appear on Google. So it means that once you post something right here and it does well, it has a very good chance of appearing on Google. So how do you use this platform? All right, so I think I said earlier, be sure to create your 2 accounts, one which you use for asking questions and the other for answering questions, right? So come over right here, you see, just let us scroll down. So you see okay, right here you can also see subjects that are part of this community, right? So just look at the subjects right here, and you can join any subjects that you're interested in. So you know that the service they offer in Fiverr can be copywriting, so you can actually go type about copywriting. So let's just say, what is copywriting? What is copywriting? You ask this question, you post it, and you end up coming back with your other accounts and answering the questions. So someone else already answered it and pasted the link, right? So you can actually go and click on the link and then read more about it. So you can actually do this and answer the question with another account. And when you answer the question with another account, okay, answer the question with another account, and then you put in your affiliate, that link, right, while answering the questions, but you need to put it in meticulously. All right, so basically that is the idea. You answer the questions with this answers.com, and you actually be saying, answers.com, does it have a lot of website visitors? Let me show you guys now. So you see on this particular website, you can see that it has about 8.4 million visitors per month, and global rank is about 2,000, right? It has about 8.4 million visitors per month, so it's actually a lot. Is actually a lot, right? So you can actually maximize the use of this opportunity. Now the next which I'm going to show is, which is the paid platform, where you can actually use money, and you pay, and your link gets promoted and you make money. So this next platform is called Shoutcart, right? Shoutcart. So on Shoutcart, basically you have influencers on Shoutcart, and all you have to do is you pay these influencers, and they put your affiliate link out there for people to see. And once they do it, because they're influencers, a lot of persons will click on the link. So you're gonna make money 2 ways when you click on the link. You make money 2 ways. First with the second website, and then you make money with the first website, which is Fiverr. Remember, you can do this with any affiliate program you want to do this with. All right, so basically that is it. Now, how do you get over this platform? Make sure to have an account with them, and then come over to where we have pricing. So come over to where we have pricing, and you're gonna see the different price list, and don't click on anyone, just scroll down. You see we'll have browse influencers right here on the first price list. Click on browse influencers. All right, so once you click on browse influencers, you're gonna have this influencers right here. So you can check out, tick on the categories you don't want here, tick them off, and you're gonna sort out the influencers. So I'm gonna click this off, and the influencers will get sorted. All right, so you see that's got refreshed. So you can scroll down right here and see the influencers right here. It doesn't show you the name entirely, but you can see the number of followers they do have, and this one has about 905.6k followers, and the score is 93, and it charges $60. So if you invest $60, and let's say you invest $60, and then you get about 905.6k persons to see your URL, and out of this 905.6k persons, and about 500 get to click on your link, you're already going to be making money, because you have the URL shortener that you end with. So now 500 click on the link, and 500 and about 100 gets to buy a particular service on Fiverr. All right, they get to buy a particular service on Fiverr. What do? You earn. All right, so that's it. Simply do this something I've shown you guys, and you see the exact same, you see results coming in.